All other weapons are restricted. Government officials of ranking 10 have been granted immunity from the purge and shall not be harmed. Commencing at the siren, any and all crime, including murder, will be legal for 12 continuous hours.
Alright guys, I don't know if you guys remember Osama bin Laden, but we back at it. We just got slicks put on, and we about to do a couple pulls. So, yo, what you do, man?
What, power wise?
Yeah.
450.
How much?
450.
450. So about like
Light.
kind of like
Light.
500 to the crank.
Yeah, just about, maybe more. Trying to shoot for 650.
Nice, nice. Yeah, we about to go for a quick test drive, so I hope you guys enjoy it. Make sure you subscribe. We out here.
It's probably gonna spin because these tires aren't broken in. Definitely gonna spin 100%. I barely punched it in first, it was just spinning. Yeah, look what I'm working with. Nothing right now. Why is my torque steer like that?